guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another BOLZANO bag. So I did a review or an unboxing or whatever several months ago. This is actually a subscription box, essentially. You get a new handbag every box, and it's about 33 something a month, I want to say. I can't remember exactly. You can also buy bags directly from their website, but it's a lot cheaper if you just do the subscription box. Of course, then you don't get to pick out which one you want, but it's always fun to have new bags that maybe you wouldn't have picked out for yourself, but then you end up loving. So let's see what I got. There's this little thing, which is one of those nubbins that you put on the back of your phone so that you can, like, you know, grip it. So that's fun. All right, let's see. I have not peeked at this yet. Oh, okay. That's cute. Oh, and jewelry. I do like this. I love the color, that brownish reddish color. That's really pretty. Okay, let's see. Let's check out this jewelry here, shall we? Oh, this is super cute. Simple, but fun and interesting. You know, you've got this necklace here with this little guy and then these little earrings. Those are really cute. I really like those. Okay, and then there's something else in this bag. Ooh. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, so there's a deal going on right now that if you order, you can get this watch for Frizzle. Whoa, it's pretty. It is a ceramic watch, I think they said. Holy cow. Damn, Gina. This is a fancy ass watch. Here, let me zoom in. Look at that watch. Isn't that beautiful? That's super fun. Wow. I love the band on this. Well, that's super fun and fancy. Hey, hey, wow, okay. So this watch, I believe, retails for like $120 or something like that. It was over 100. That is super fancy and fun. I'm really excited about the watch, and I want to take this plastic off of my new bag. Okay, there we go. So let's see, we've got some outside pockets on either side that are nice and deep, and then a zippered main pocket. There's lots of little pockets in here. It looks like, you know, little slotted ones for like holding cards or whatever. I don't know what these ones are for. What are these for? And a zipper pocket right here. So it's not particularly big this way, but it's long, so you can shove, you know, tall things in there, like my arm. And I love this color. It fits comfortably over my shoulder. Let's see. That's cute, right? I love it. Oh, and the little BOLZANO symbol right here. This is really cute. I actually really like this. So definitely check out the description box for links and discount codes and all of that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!